was Mario consists of 7 people. We going to the countries on the topic of storm and flood in Vietnam. And you know, the central provinces are suffering from terrible storm and floods. We have washed away the property and lives of hundreds of people here. It's excessive. Landslide and floods. The number of people dying from natural disaster increases. Currently, in the central province, more than 100 people have died and were missing due to floods and storms, and dozens of villages are isolated by flood water.
In Quảng Bình, more than 43,000 households are still affected by floods. Even many houses are submerged in blood water. Recruits still make efforts to travel to isolated areas to recruit traffic residents and provide food and essentials. In Hà Tĩnh, although the plan has stopped, many places are still heavily flooded. Many areas where floods and from 1 meter to 1 meter 15 centimeter. So many people here are isolated. They have to stay 2, 3 to 4 days. The subject to plan to the proofs waiting for the recruit to come to the recruit.
You know, in Quảng Trị province, widespread flooding has occurred in all districts, towns, and cities. The whole province had 82 floods out of 124 communities, wards, and towns of the province. The whole province had 50 deaths, 8 missing people, 25 injured, severely damaged, 175 houses, 347 hectares of rice flood damaged, 2,540 hectares of crops, nearly 1,400 hectares of aquaculture area for those were flooded.
Up to 6 p.m. on October 21, the total number of deaths were 112. The number of people still missing is 22 people, of which 15 are workers at the Round Country Hero bound of plane to Thiên Huế. Thousands of houses in the three provinces of Hà Tĩnh, Quảng Bình, Quảng Trị still submerged in the water. Nearly 7,500 hectares of rice and crops were flooded and damaged. Nearly 700,000 cattle and poultry dead and were swept away.
In recent days, the whole country has suffered from the rise consequence of natural disaster. But perhaps the most dramatic thing is the suicide of just 13 children in our countries. But alcohol soda spent there who live completing noble mission of the countries and protecting everyone. They certify to live sadness and moving for their loved one as well as the people of the countries.
Hello everyone, as you know, the water level on Kinsan River in Quảng Bình has risen 4 meter 30 centimeter. It is 1 meter 60 centimeter over alert 3. It's setting the flood mark in 1979. More than 3 meter flood water caused heavy flooding everywhere in Lệ Thủy district, which includes An Thủy, Lộc Thủy, Sơn Thủy, Phong Thủy, Liên Thủy, Xuân Thủy, Kiên Giang. Next in an interview, he witnessed the devastation of typhoon and flood in central of Vietnam. How do you feel after this storm?
At around 5 p.m. on September 17, the rain began to pour down more and more. Thunder and lightning exploded. The rain was getting stronger and heavier. About a few hours later, it flooded to the fish, increasingly higher water. Flushing water washes away everything in the house. My family had to stay on the roof for several days. I could not eat anything. The storm caused all of our property to be lost, our home badly damaged, and even human damage. I also look forward to help from the government and everyone.
Thank you. A tremendous destruction from nature. It is a historic storm that has brought a lot of pain and suffering for the people of country in general. Thereby we can see the solidarity spirit, the tradition of the Vietnamese people from the best. Lê Nguyễn Mai Trang, reporting in Quảng Bình Province, television station of LNTD. Thanks.
Unfortunately, the central province will continue to be affected by Typhoon No. 9.
We hope that no more people will be died through the storm.
Stop.